with your permission of this, the permission of this Honorable Council, I move that for inclusion, a resolution for appreciation and commendation of the following: Mr. Luigi Villacampo Molina of Puntod, who was responsible of arresting the hold-upper last June 8 dito sa Osmeña Street, and recovered an firearm of 45 caliber. Now the suspect is now the case was now filed in court, and the two traffic enforcers were also assessed, leading to the arrest of the suspect in robbery hold-up. Traffic enforcer Angelico Ocab, traffic enforcer Luigi Smart E. Robera, Madam Chair, my colleagues, subject for styling for the context of the appreciation and commendation.